Okay guys, in this video let's talk about another important algorithm in linked list. So that is nothing but inserting after a specific position. So inserting after a specific node, actually inserting after a specific node. Alright, so inserting after a specific node, it's actually very simple. Okay, so let me have our example. Say this is 10, this is 1002, and this points to this 1002, and this is 20, this is 1003, points to this is 1003, and this is 30, and you don't have anything in it, right? It's null. Okay, so this is the example, the common example that we should take. I mean, we will take always, right? So I just want to search for an element. Okay, so the basic idea here is you have to search for an element, and when the element is encountered, right after the element you have to insert your new node. Say for example, this is my new node. This says this is 5001 and 40 null. Okay, say for an example, I after 20 I just want this new node. Okay, so you have to run a loop and check the condition if the data of first field is actually equal to 20. Okay, just for an example I took 20. You can have your own example, guys. Okay, already if the data is equal to 20 not. Okay, so go to the next node. How will you go to the next node? That is possible by this statement, temp equals to assume that temp is the starting pointer, so temp equals to temp arrow next. This will help you to jump through the nodes. I told you this, right? Okay, so not equal to 20, jump through this node. This node is actually equal to 20, right? So what you have to do, immediately after this node you have to insert this new node. That's the idea here, that is inserting after a specific node. Okay, so immediately after this 20 you have to insert this node, new node. What do you mean by inserting? The idea here is very simple. You have to make two crucial changes you have to make. First change is you have to it should not point to 1003, it should point to 5001, which means this. Okay, that's the first change you have to make. After that, this should not point to null, this should point to 1000, and since this is pointing to 5000, I'm sorry, this is pointing to 5001 now, this link is cut off. Okay, you don't have any link, and you have to make this is 1003, so you have to make like this. So now you can see the linked list, right? So what you have done here is you have just cut this link, and you have linked the new node, and new node points to the last node. Okay, like this you have to make some links. So you have to make two crucial changes here, guys. You please note that changes. One is, instead of having 1003 it should have 5001. Here instead of having null you should have 1003. Okay, and yeah, those two are the changes that you wish to make. And yeah, let's implement this algorithm. I hope you understood this. So let's implement this algorithm and see in the next video. Thanks a lot.